Paseo Plaza is at 144 South 3rd Street in downtown San Jose. It's a mixture of townhouses, 2-bedroom and 1-bedroom condos, and 210 units total in this building. So it's a pretty good sized building. Built in 1997, so it actually has some larger units than most. San Jose State is nearby, right across the street, actually on 4th Street. Pets are allowed. This space is kind of like my favorite space in the plaza. I think at one time, this was kind of planned to be an open walkway, which they ended up closing it down on either side. So now this is all private use for the owners of the building. And then here is the garden. So the nice thing is Paseo Plaza, being that it's an older building, the units are much larger. You get a lot more space. You have a lot more community space to utilize, outdoor space. They just seem to build them differently when they first started building downtown. 2 bedrooms tend to range from above 1,600 square feet anywhere to 1,900 square feet. Largest one, I think, was 2,400 square feet, which is actually right here in the garden space. 1-bedrooms tend to be over 1,000 square feet. You just don't see that very often in downtown. Of townhouse-style condos as well as single-level condos. The whole lower level is all townhouse style, so you got 2 levels of unit. Everything above is going to be a condo style. It's a mixture of 2- and 1-bedroom condos. HOA maintains all of the landscaping, the building, the interiors, the carpet, water, garbage, hot water is included. One of the older buildings that were built in San Jose, 1997, it is one of the first residential style buildings that were built in downtown. Parking garage is where you pick up your mail. Everybody has access to the mailboxes. There's several locations where you pick up your mail in the parking garage. Parking comes with your unit. It's deeded parking. If you have a 1-bedroom, you're gonna have 1 parking space. If you have a 2-bedroom, you're gonna have 2 parking spaces. The 2 parking spaces tend to be tandem parking. So you're gonna have one car in front of the other. This is all underground, so every part of this building is above the parking structure here. Again, it's secured and gated. You can't access the building or the parking without a fob. You do have access to bike cages as well to help secure your items. And there are several units that do come with extra storage space. So it's kind of nice to have that. If your unit doesn't come with it, you might want to wait until one does come up available, because it's nice to have extra storage space, especially in downtown San Jose. Okay, gym. So most buildings come with a decent gym. This one's a little exceptional, in my opinion, and very well kept. Clean most all times. I don't think I've ever seen it in disrepair. Newer equipment. Just a nice overall feeling in here. A lot of space. Here is the dry sauna. So not many downtown locations have a dry sauna that can be of use. It's nice to be conveniently located to different businesses and different places to hang out and enjoy your day. This leads right into the Paseo, the San Antonio Plaza.